Hello. Today, let's have a comparison with you about our brand new Apple iPhone Air, which comes this year on the market. And yeah, this is a nice phone. This is a new iPhone Air. This is a paradigm shift in design, for example. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, we have of course there so many key features behind that new phone. This is a new design philosophy. Yeah. The iPhone Air is Apple's first smartphone with the Air designation, focused on an impossible thin and a light form factor. Of course, the Air is like an iPad Air. Yeah, you see that. This is a little step to an iPhone Air. Yeah, because it's so thin. Because the dimensions are just 5.64 millimeter thick and the weight only 165 grams. And this is the thinnest and lightest iPhone ever so far. This is a significant departure from previous models, of course. Then we have the materials. It features a grade 5 titanium frame. This makes it both strong and stunningly light because it's so thin. And maybe you can think that it is fast broken into pieces or something else. No, that isn't, because it is really strong, I think. And of course, it's only embedded SIM only. This is not a good feature, I think, because to achieve that ultra thin design, the iPhone Air is an eSIM only worldwide, completely removed SIM tray device. That means all the other versions before was possible in Europe to get with a physical SIM card. And of course, here, let's have a look what's going on with the previous iPhone models and this new one of the Air. The new model is positioned between the standard iPhone 17, the premium phone 17 Pro. And it offers a large 6.5-inch display than the base model, but prioritizes the thinnest over the Pro's most advanced camera features. That means here we have the iPhone Air, the iPhone Air should be for you if you are not a camera enthusiast, for example, but you like a good camera, but you like design and you like a small, thin phone. It is not small, it is only thin. Yeah. For example, the iPhone 17 is the base model. It's the most affordable and new lineup in it. It features an A19 chip and 6.3-inch display and a dual camera system. You see dual camera system with it. And of course, then the bigger version this year is the iPhone 17 Pro. This is the flagship of users who want the most advanced technology. It includes the same powerful A19 Pro chip and use the Air, but featuring a more robust build and an advanced camera system and a faster USB-C port. That means USB 3 versus USB 2 on the Air. But I think this is not the big thing. And I think the biggest behind this is the camera features. And the iPhone 16, for example, to comparison completed, is which the Air effectively replaced. Was not a thin or light device, and the space storage was 128 gigabyte, half of the iPhone Airs this year, for example. And of course, we are going to have a look to the performance. This is a big thing. Both the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro are powered by the new A19 Pro chip. This is a 6-core CPU with a 5-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine. This makes, of course, the Air performance powerhouse despite its thin profile. That's a good fact. And the display itself, it's the thing which we interactive every day, every minute. The iPhone Air supports a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, and it's possible up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak outdoor brightness of 3000 nits. And the camera of this system is the key differentiator. The the iPhone Air has a 48 megapixel Fusion main camera system, offering a high resolution shots and a 2x telephoto zoom only. This is a very capable system, of course, but it lacks some of the more advanced telephoto and macro compatibility found on the iPhone 17 Pro. So this is a big fact behind that. I prefer the 17 Pro, I think, but with design, I prefer the iPhone Air more. What do you think? Tell me in the comments, please. And of course, it comes with a new software pack. This is the iOS 26, a fully integrated Apple Intelligence, the Apple's new AI framework for seamless features across the system. And of course, we have a competition against not only Apple devices. The flagships on the market are Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, for example. This is a direct competitor to the iPhone 17 Pro series. The S25 is known for its multi-lens camera system, including a 5x periscope telephoto lens. It runs on the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy processor and features the Galaxy AI, of course. And of course, the AI functions, I think, in that Samsung Galaxy device is better. Yeah. Yes, it is. And of course, another big player on the market is the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Yeah, this Pixel lineup is Google's showcase for Android and AI. And there, the AI is really strong because it's powered by the Tensor G5 chip and the leader in computational photography. It features a periscope lens for long-range zoom and a strong focus on the AI-driven features. And I think this is the big muscle there. And of course, who is now the best on the market? Or who is the iPhone Air 4 one? For example, the design enthusiasts, of course. The iPhone Air is clearly targeted at users who prioritize the sleek, minimalistic, and incredible thin design above all else. And of course, the power user. It offers a powerful A19 Pro chip, meaning we don't have to sacrifice performance for style, of course. And for the middle ground, it is the perfect choice for those who want a premium iPhone experience without the highest cost of the Pro models and who don't need its most advanced camera features. And you can have a look forward. The iPhone Air represents a new path for the Apple. It's providing that the focus of a single standout feature can create a compelling and unique product within their already strong lineup as well. And then at the end, the prices, of course. The iPhone Air comes with $1,000 roundabout, okay? We have an ultra thin design, a premium feel, of course, and a powerful chip with that. But this cost $1K, okay, in dollars. The iPhone 17 comes with only $800. This is the best value, essential for iPhone experience, of course. And then, of course, if you need more power, more camera, and so on, use the iPhone 17 Pro. This comes with $1,100 for example. We have then our Pro camera system, premium features, and the fastest data transfer on the market. And the Samsung Galaxy S24 is estimated to $900. There we will get advanced AI features, flexible Android ecosystem, and the Google Pixel 10 is round about $700. Estimated, of course. The best camera for its price, pure Android experience and AI first approach, of course. So, is the iPhone Air the right phone for you? For me, no. I think not, because I need more camera power. Yeah, but others, design and the flexibility and that it is in the Apple world a really good phone. Okay, yes, of course. Maybe as a second phone. Oh no, this is too expensive for me. What do you think? Tell me more, please. This was a little comparison across the iPhone Air and the flagships on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.